Did you know?
At Marana, we know your vehicle is one of your biggest investments, and keeping it healthy keeps you moving. Most drivers don't realize modern engines build up carbon deposits over time, and that buildup can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, reduced fuel economy, and long-term engine damage. That's why preventative maintenance isn't optional, it's essential. From oil changes to alignments, staying ahead of wear and tear keeps you safe, saves money, and extends the life of your vehicle. That's where a fuel induction service comes in. It's one of the most powerful preventative services you can do. A fuel induction service cleans out carbon deposits from your intake valves, throttle body, and fuel system. It restores lost power, better performance, smoother driving, improved gas mileage, helps your engine breathe again, and keeps your vehicle running like it should. To keep your engine healthy, we recommend a fuel induction service roughly every 15,000 miles to 30,000 miles, depending on how and where you drive. At Marana, our certified team is here to help you protect your investment and drive with confidence, today, tomorrow, and miles ahead. Schedule your next preventative maintenance visit, including a fuel induction service, for only $179.95 with Marana today. Only at Marana.